Okay, because whenever I share something, I experiment it on myself first before I have told it to you. Because that journey is more real then, right? Otherwise, I could just read out of something and just say, no, it doesn't work like that. But he told yesterday, if there is something very difficult for you to remember and grasp, write it on a yellow paper with a red pen. Don't sit and now start writing everything on a yellow paper. Next 15-20 days, you experiment something that you're not able to remember and register. Okay? Take a yellow paper, write it with red ink and see is it you're remembering it faster or not. Try it. It's an experiment. Priya has not guaranteed the result because Priya hasn't tried it. Okay? Man told, ma'am, if it didn't work, tell me. If it worked also, tell me, please. Yeah? Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you all tell me.
Yes.
Tell Ambika ma'am, she will tell me if it worked or not. Okay? So try these little things. Go with confidence. Go with faith. Go with trust in yourself. And remember one thing. If you stand alone, can you please come here? Can you break this? That's what happens. If we stand alone, anybody can break us very easily. Anybody can break us very easily. But if we together, he thought that much is okay. Physical strength, I remember. Now break this together. You cannot. Try now. Huh? No, you can say louder. Tell me.
Unity and diversity, ma'am.
Unity in
Diversity.
Unity in diversity. United we stand. And divided we fall. Theory. Practicality. Relationships and family. Please sit. Thank you so much. Relationships, family, classroom, classmates, 10th standard friends, school bonding friends. Believe me, my friends remain forever. They are friends that will last forever. And you will not speak for 15-20 years maybe. But when you meet them, it will be the same connect. I had a school friend who came and saw me after 14 years. She said, Priya, I saw you then, but you still look the same. It is a connect. When you stand together, band mutti to lakki, khul gayi to khaki. Band mutti to lakki, khul gayi to khaki. If you learn to live together and if you learn to be a strength of each other, help each other even during this time and be great friends of each other, then you will see the impact it makes in your performance also. It will make a big difference. It will make a big difference. तो बंद मुट्ठी तो लाखी खुल गई तो खाकी. United we stand, divided we fall. So if you can break this together, nobody can do it. Nobody can do it. So my dear friends, it's time to be together. It's time to bond together. It's time to connect with each other, respect each other's strengths, know their weaknesses, and still work together to help them perform better. When you do that together as a team, you will win.